In videos 1 and 2 I showed you the operational theory and the components used to assemble the system. I've added a long ethylene hose down into the crankcase. The minivan oil is warm from about 10 minutes of operation, and now we'll beta test the system. Turn on the vacuum. You can see the vacuum's rising. You can see the oil is coming up out of the crankcase, and vacuum still rising. We're beginning to collect oil. And I'll tune back in when oil is accumulating. Solid black line. When that goes gray, I'll advise the time. Okay, 5 minutes in, we have about 4 quarts. I expect somewhere around 6 or 7 minutes at 20 inches of mercury we'll extract 5 quarts. I really have too long a hose. I had to pull it out and make it just a touch longer than the dipstick. I'll put a mark on that for round 2. Hose is starting to surge around minute 7. I think we're starting to break wind. The vacuum's holding steady. I think we're nearly done at 5 quarts as expected. Still some bubbles. Push it in just a touch. Complete. I put a blue flag reference for how far to push this tube into the Sienna. You can see the line is no longer black, although it's still pulling vacuum. We'll shut her down, and you can see that there's a natural bleed down through the tube. We're complete at 8 minutes. Results actually pulled a little more than 5 quarts out. I suspect I drained it a little more than the drain plug can drain. You can see we just simply pull this bung out, set it aside, and the plan is to collect oil in this receptacle and then properly dispose periodically as this vessel fills up across 3 cars. Easy disposal. Finished.